Welcome to the All You Need 7 Days to Better Health program. Day 2, Nutrition. We're talking about one of the most important aspects of getting in better health is what you're putting in your body to fuel it. So if you're putting a lot of processed rubbish that isn't real food, that's not going to fuel you. That's not going to lead you to better health. May give you energy short term, but long term you're going to start to struggle. So what do we need to optimize our nutrition to really support our health and our well-being? That's what we're talking about right now. Well, the first thing that we want to do is we want to be eating whole foods, real food. We want to be eating as much plant-based food as we can. So lots of fruits and vegetables. And what's really important is we want to be eating organic. Why is organic important? Well, organic means it's free from pesticides, fungicides and herbicides, these toxins that are going to cause problems in our body, and not only cause problems in our body, but cause problems in the soil. And our guts and the soil are so intrinsically linked. So we want whole foods, real food, not processed artificial foods. We want organic foods. The next important part of this is eating, as I said, as much plants, fruits and vegetables as we can, because they have a cross-section of phytonutrients and antioxidants to fuel our body. So we need all of those nutrients coming into our system. The great thing with plants is most of them are very easy on the body, easy on the digestive system. They won't make us heavy and sluggish. Next really important part of it is that we're eating fresh living food, just like this from the garden, beautiful kale, nettles, apples and blueberries. We want fresh food coming in. The more living food that we put into our body, the more life force we get. So if you put dead things into your body, you're going to get that dead, sluggish energy. You put vibrant, healthy, living foods in, you're going to feel like that yourself, vibrant and healthy. You're putting that life force in, so this is really important. Now, we can't all grow food around us, but quite often we have windowsills, so we can grow some herbs, or we can even do sprouting. Sprouting is great to get those nutrients in, those fresh living nutrients when we can't necessarily grow. Wrong time of year, or we don't have the space. So living foods, getting as much of that into your body as possible. The next thing we need to look at are some of the key essential nutrients that a lot of people unfortunately are lacking in. Vitamin D is one of them. Vitamin D is responsible for 900 functions within your body. 900 things require it that are going on all the time without you knowing. And yet, most people are deficient in this essential nutrient, vitamin D. Now, depending on where you live, if you live in England like I do, between October and March, we don't get enough vitamin D from the sunlight. So we really need to be supplementing vitamin D into our body, ideally in the form of vitamin D3. This is the form that your body can use, and with K2. So the K vitamins come from your leafy greens. So we need to be having that. The second most important nutrient in our body is magnesium, and again, very high deficiencies in magnesium. Magnesium is essential for a healthy heart, for circulation, for recovery, for muscles, for mental health, so many things. So we need to make sure we're getting our magnesium into our bodies. Epsom salt baths, great way to get magnesium in. Cacao, raw chocolate is a most bioavailable source of magnesium. Brown rice, leafy greens, these are all good sources. So we need magnesium. So we need to make sure we're covering this. We need to make sure we're getting good fats in our diet. Nuts and seeds, avocados, good healthy oils that aren't cooked. Beautiful things. One of my favorites is a raw pumpkins, cold pressed pumpkin seed oil. Beautiful, and you feel it doing you good. So getting those fats into your body, because fats are the building blocks. Everything in your body requires fats. Your brain requires fat. So we need to make sure we're getting the healthy fats, not the cooked animal fats, into our diet. We need to make sure we're getting easily digestible proteins, so that our body can absorb the protein and we can use that to strengthen our muscles, to keep us going. So we need these essential building blocks. The next really important part when it comes to nutrition is gut health. So we are what we eat, but on a deeper level, we are what we absorb. So if your gut isn't in a good way, you're not going to be necessarily absorbing the nutrients that you're getting into your body. A great way to help support your digestive system is having a nice smoothie. Very easy on the body to digest. It doesn't have to do a lot of work and it can absorb those essential nutrients straight in. I like to put the All You Need in because that's got the vitamin D, 2000 IUD per serving. You have 300 milligrams of magnesium per serving. You have zinc, you have iron, you have bio-fermented pea and quinoa protein. So this is protein in a very easily digestible form, so it's not going to put a strain on your body. You've got super greens in there, you've got medicinal mushrooms, you've got amazing nutrients packed in there. So you're going to get all the goodness to support your body. All You Need is a great part of a balanced diet. You don't want to just be having All You Need and a rubbish diet, you really want it as part. So what I'm talking to you today about are the key things you can do to really have a great balanced diet and add that in to support your health and well-being. As I said, gut health is so important, so making sure you're getting digestive enzymes into your body, which again is in the All You Need. We want the digestive enzymes to break our bodies down, our food down, but also getting in your fermented foods, so sauerkraut or kimchi, maybe you want some kombucha or kefir, getting those probiotic rich foods into your body to support positive, healthy digestion. So those are a few top tips for nutrition to really help you step into a space of better health. So to summarize, whole foods, as much plant-based as you can, organic food to help ourselves and the planet. We want to be having living food, sprouts or fresh food as much as we can, fresh herbs, getting that life force into our body. Living is good, dead not so good. We want to be getting that good balance of fats and proteins into our body. We want to make sure we're getting our essential nutrients like vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, and iron, vitamin C, all of these beautiful things by eating this cross section, eating a beautiful rainbow of food. The more different colors we can get in, the more nutrients we're getting into our body. So eating a variety of food so that we're really supporting our health. I hope that's helped you. Make sure as well that you're adding in those probiotics for good gut health. So that's day 2, nutrition. Also, make sure that you check out the description below for lots of amazing recipes to give you great ideas and inspiration. And if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe and share so it reaches more people.